So this week on the High Performance Garden Nuggets, we'll share with you how mycelium helps the plants to grow to their full genetic potential. Here's a clip from the High Performance Garden Show. But one of the things I want to show you is this little guy right here. This is mycelium. So in the garden, we've added mycelium spores throughout the years. And when I dig up the soil, it smells kind of like mushrooms. This is the fungus part of the decomposition that happens in the gardens. And you're not going to get this if you're pouring chemicals on your garden. But the fungus work in relationship with the plants to help get better nutrients in the plants. The plants make carbohydrates to help the mycelium grow. The mycelium is the underground portion of a mushroom. So eventually these do blossom into mushrooms. So I'm excited to see the mycelium is still in the soil, and it's really fun to smell the smell of mushrooms in the soil. So I'm just going to bury that back down and let that be. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8 Week 1 Part 1. Also in the show Year 8 Week 1 on Part 2, we show you how to plant the radishes, the turnips, the peas, and the lettuce in the High Performance Garden way. So if you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. We'll put that link there for you. For those of you that don't know what a High Performance Garden Show is, it is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish that you had. We show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. So we follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. So this show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance education. So if you're tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears and want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is a garden education for you. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So there are 7 seasons and over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch it and say it's even better than Netflix. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or just click on the link below. That'll take you to that page. So did I mention that this is free to watch? So tell your friends. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the High Performance Garden Nuggets. By the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too. So please share the show with them. They will thank you later, and I will see you in the garden.